Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is PaRay. I'm about to give you 7 ways to make money in Nigeria right now. These 7 ways is gonna work for students, it's gonna work for professional, and it's gonna work for anyone that is just trying to find out some side hustle, any way that they can make some extra buck, probably in addition to their salary. This video is for you. Sometimes I just wonder how come we did not have all this information when we were in the university. This generation are lucky, man. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button or the black subscribe button. Let me unleash this to you. Number 1 is gift card swapping. You can make a whole lot of fortune in Nigeria right now by swapping gift card. The way it works is that you buy and you resell gift card with high resale rates. You might ask, what is a gift card? Gift cards are digital assets you can use to pay for items at specific brands online or offline. Examples of gift card are Amazon gift card, Apple and also eBay. All of them have gift card. You can buy gift card on Cartonic at affordable prices. So what you're gonna do here is to go on this site and buy gift card when the prices are low, with the aim of selling them back on this same site when the prices are high. So it is like you are taking advantage of the fluctuating rates of this gift card, because sometimes they go high, they go low. All you need to do is to download this app on the Google Play or the Apple Play Store and you register. Number 2 is event planning. Come on, event planning is like a money ritual in Nigeria right now. Come on, we all know what Saturdays have for in Nigeria. The parties, the one bed, birthdays, weddings. That's why I love my country. There's always something to do. There's always somewhere to go. There's always a party somewhere. Come on. There's always an event. Come on, you have to leverage all these activities that are going on in Nigeria right now. Take advantage of this opportunity. You'll be paid for organizing events. You can even start a decoration company. Let people know that you can decorate their venue. Show your artistic skills. Get a good camera. You can attend a lot of events. Take pictures. They're gonna pay you for it, man. Start an e-commerce business, sell clothes, sell shoes. Let people know you have lovely watch to sell. Hats. Come on, get the best hats in Nigeria. You start selling in universities, sell them in your workplaces. If you're a fashion designer, go to some event with your design. Let people know that you made this on your own. Come on, they're gonna pay you to make clothes for them. You don't need to have a store to start. You can use social media, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Threads. That is your store. If you have a product, let's say you're a fashion designer and you can register on Shopify, what's stopping you? Go ahead, man. Nothing should stop you. Create a website. Website nowadays is just click, click, click. Boom, you have a website. Come up with your complimentary card. Give it out to people. Build a brand. The moment you build a brand, people will trust you and they will patronize you. You have a business. The next one is tutoring. Come on, I did this in Nigeria myself. Some people have finished from Nigerian universities with first class or 2-1. Oh, fine, you look for work, but you are unlucky. But you have people that did your same course in year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. They are struggling. They don't know how to manipulate. They don't know how to find themselves. And they are ready to spend money for someone that can just teach them, someone that can just put them through. What's stopping you? You can make money from this student. You don't need to be a graduate. Maybe you are in the final year. You can make money from your course mate. They are ready to pay. I did private lesson in Nigeria 1-to-1 with primary 5, primary 6, JS1, JS2 students. The parents are willing to pay. Believe me. Are you good in mathematics, English? Their parents are willing to pay. You can make this as a center. Student will come. You bring down the price. 10,000 naira. If you have 10 to 20 students, that is 100 to 200,000 naira, man, every month. Why not help students that want to write external exam? WAEC, NECO? They need help. They're gonna pay you for your valuable help. You can make money by blogging. Why not start talking about artificial intelligence? The buzzword of today. Maybe in your Instagram page or your Twitter. Every day you make an update on artificial intelligence. Go on LinkedIn, make an update on artificial intelligence. Digital marketing. It can even be how to make money online. Post every day. It won't be long. You have a huge following. You can now create a website. You have a company. Another way you can make money from blogging is by running ads for companies or brands. You can make money through affiliate marketing, where you insert a link to a product and you get a commission as a customer buys a product using your link. Lifestyle vlogging. It can be on YouTube, it can be on TikTok. Everybody's on TikTok now. Create content for these social media apps. It won't be long you start making money. Some people are in the village, typical village. Come on, a lot of people want to see what's happening there. A lot of people want to know what is happening in that village. You have a camera, video, everything, and post. You can show people how palm oil is made in the village, how cassava is harvested. People want to see all these things. The process, peeling, grinding, pressing, drying, frying. People want to know how fufu is made. People want to know how gari is made. Check out this guy on TikTok. This guy posts what you call rubbish, but he has followers. People are going there to watch the rubbish that he's posting, and he's making money. The last on my list, guys, is to have a skill. Have a skill. Come on, learn something. Graphic design, how to build a website, digital marketing, writing and translation. Learn how to edit video, learn animation, learn photography, learn how to edit photos, guys. Learn something. Now, artificial intelligence is taking over everywhere. Why not learn Midjourney? Why not become a Midjourney artist? You can learn how to build an AI website from scratch. People are going to patronize you. The moment you have a skill, jump up to Fiverr or Upwork and showcase what you have learned. Create a portfolio and let people know what you have learned. You wake up, you sit down in your house, open your laptop, and you start making money. The bonus point is trading cryptocurrency. You can go into crypto trading or investment. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, you need a platform where you can sell your crypto without getting scammed. You can sell your crypto and get cash, or you can convert your crypto to another crypto of your choice. You can make money from trading crypto by buying and selling cryptocurrency. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you've learned something from this video, and I believe you're gingered to go and do something. If you are watching this video and you're a senior person or a senior colleague, and you know a young person or a young graduate in Nigeria that is struggling to meet ends meet, looking for jobs here and there and getting nothing, why not just send the video to the person? You might bless the person's life. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. My name is PaRay, and I'm signing out. See you guys.